So OpenAI have just taken a big step in the creation of their new search engine, as it's just been found that OpenAI have created the domain search.chatgpt.com, and on top of that have created an SSL certificate. This news comes on top of what we spoke about just a few days ago with GPT-2 chatbot being found on the Arena chatbot website, a model which appeared with no explanation and appeared to be incredibly fast, a quality that would be absolutely essential for any search engine. So was GPT-2 chatbot the model that OpenAI was going to use for their new search engine, and will we be getting access to it anytime soon? Let's take a look. So the news just dropped that the domain search.chatgpt.com has been created, and this comes after rumors from a few months ago that OpenAI was planning to make their own search engine to rival Google, and as well as that, the mysterious GPT-2 which appeared on the Arena Battle website, which provided incredibly high quality answers at a very fast speed that we haven't seen on GPT before. And it's now looking increasingly likely that these things are all connected, and this isn't just all rumors, because a few days ago this user posted a tweet with a load of information regarding this topic. He claims that the Search GPT agent seems to already be in eval phase, listing some of its included features. And this guy is not a leaker, he has found this information which has been publicly available for anyone if you know the right places to look. And as well as that, there are a number of images and a video included here for us to get an insight at how this search engine might actually look. So let's see what we've got here. So here you can see a screenshot of how it might look when you're using this search engine. A very minimalistic layout here with just the OpenAI logo and a search bar. As well as here another screenshot, but this one features different tabs. So as well as the direct answer, you get an option for sources and images, and then a little tab here talking about the search domain that's just been created, which we mentioned earlier. On an unrelated side note here, the guy that posted this, Tibor, his avatar looks like the spitting image of the Dean from Community. On top of that, as I also mentioned, he did post a video showing how this search engine might look, so let's take a look at that now. So obviously in this little preview there are no results actually loading because this is yet to be a functioning search engine for us, but that will obviously be there when it comes to the time of release. He then shows what these little buttons in the corner do. We have the debug mode, the location services option, the ability to change the theme from light to dark, and of course the general search settings which he goes into here. Here we have a number of options, but the thing that immediately stands out the most is the model family option. So this model family drop-down menu presents you with 3 different options, the most interesting of which is the one called GPT4 Light. Now why is that important? Well, if you remember to just a few days ago when we heard about the GPT-2 chatbot, which was giving really high quality answers but at a much faster speed than the normal GPT-4, it makes sense that this GPT-2 chatbot was actually just GPT-4 but a light form version. And when you have this information, suddenly everything seems to line up here and it starts to make a lot more sense. It seems evident to me at least that GPT-2 chatbot was GPT-4 Light in testing, and its purpose is obviously for this new search engine project that they're working on, because no one wants to wait too long for a search result to appear. Search engines need to be fast, it's an essential part of them. And one of the big advantages of using an AI as a search engine is the ability to summarize pages. So rather than having to read the entire page and absorb all the information slowly, you can just input the information into the AI and get the summarized version very quickly, which OpenAI has clearly considered, as there is a section about that here, talking about how they can summarize in no more than 300 characters and generate an appropriate short title. And on top of this, he also did manage to find some assets in these files. The ones he's shown are for the weather. So here you just have your different icons for every different type of weather that may be happening at a given time. Nice looking little icons there. So considering this fast progress of the search engine, and now with the information of GPT-2 chatbot and the domain being created for searchgpt.com, it's seeming like this new search engine may be releasing fairly soon, and I really don't think we'll be waiting much longer to see this working. I think it's most likely that this search engine will will release before the next generation of GPT, a way to sort of lead into the massive release of GPT-5 or 4.5. But is this search engine going to be any good, and will it rival Google? Well, at the moment it's anyone's guess really, but an AI-powered search engine could definitely be a game changer to the traditional system that we use, because I don't know about you, but Google gives me some terrible results sometimes, and it's not uncommon for me to get results that aren't even relevant to what I was trying to find to begin with. And then of course you have the summarizing feature, which will be a big part of it. But there are some worries that this search engine is going to be blocked by everyone, the same way that so many websites already block ChatGPT. If these websites don't want this to be the new way of searching, then they will be able to block it. And even if Search GPT is better than Google on paper, if you're unable to really use it in the real world, it will essentially be useless. But I'm interested to know what you guys think about this, so let me know down below. And if you're still listening, I really appreciate you. Drop a like and subscribe if you can, it really helps me out, and thanks for watching.